Vikings. Let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my trolley. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Berk without all the chafing from the sea. Toothless, you forgot the wings! Chief, watch out, Chief! Oh, nice, an oracle nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop. You know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. All joking aside, you really can't be here when these days. Oh, not good. And I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Berk, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless? Now, gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields and prepare to exit the wing light. And don't forget your dragon. We have enough of those fire breathers around here already.